In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Yahoo Mail on all devices. If you want to secure your Yahoo Mail account and make sure other signed-in sessions are removed, this process is quick and very effective. The key thing to know is that Yahoo typically signs you out of other devices after you change your password while keeping you signed in on the device you're currently using. So if you think someone else may still have access to your account, this is a smart step to take. First, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're fully signed in. Once you're on the main mail screen, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Move your cursor over that icon and then click Manage Your Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings where you can review security-related options. On the Overview tab, scroll down toward the bottom until you find the option called Review Recent Activity. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. This section shows recent account activity, which can help you spot devices, locations, or sign-ins you don't recognize. It's a good idea to take a quick look through this list, especially if you're changing your password for security reasons. From there, click Change your password. A new pop-up will appear asking you to enter a new password. Choose a strong password that's difficult to guess, ideally something unique that you're not using anywhere else. Once you've entered the new password and confirmed it if prompted, click Continue. After that, Yahoo will sign you out of all other devices currently using that account, except for the device you're on right now. That means any phones, tablets, browsers, or computers where your account was previously logged in will need the new password to sign back in. This is especially useful if you were signed in on a shared computer or if you suspect someone else accessed your email. And that's it. That's how to sign out of Yahoo Mail on all devices. If you're doing this for security, remember to store your new password somewhere safe and update it in any devices or apps you personally use later on.